Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to the channel. So I wanted to share with you the state of the kit. I don't remember what we called it, and I don't watch my own videos, so I'm not going to go back to find that out. But I consolidated things and cleaned up things so I would have room to get rid of some trash. So these are all the things that I am getting rid of. Empty sticker sheets here, empty sticker sheets, empty sticker sheet, empty sticker sheet. This is a mostly empty sticker sheet. I promise you I will never use those 4 puffy stickers. So they're going. An empty sticker sheet, a 0. I am not going to use a random 0. It's going. Empty sticker sheet, empty gemstones, empty sheet, empty sheet. I promise you I will never use that little round thing that says love letters. It's going. Empty sticker sheet, empty sticker sheet. So I cleaned out all this packaging, you guys. This is a lot of packaging, right? That's going straight in the bin. There we go. It's in the bin. And now let me show you what I got going on here. So here's what I have. And then we're going to walk through and talk about what I need to do to actually use this up. Now, I think my original intention was to see how many layouts I could get with what I had going on in this kit. But I think my intention has changed, okay? Let's just be real. So I have this paper still. Not using that side. Guarantee it will be this size used. I have a white sheet of cardstock. I have the cut apart with the yellow on the back. Now, I have used this cut apart on other layouts and other pages, so I might just go ahead and use the yellow. I have this, which was a pre-made background that I used with 2 stencils. I have this part of the floral paper left. It's got strawberries on the back. Again, guarantee you not using the strawberries. And then I have a sheet of black cardstock, a sheet of white cardstock, and a couple little scraps. So is there enough paper here to create a layout? Yes. Is there enough paper here to create a layout I will be happy with? No. So I need to add more paper, right? So we know that the paper has to be added. These are the things that I still have. So letters wise, let's talk and show letters, okay? I have these stickers, haven't touched. These stickers, don't think I've touched. These stickers, which I have touched, these are from Sweet Rush. Not a lot, but a little bit in there. And I also have the mini alphas. And I know I've used these, so, you know, but these are my alphabet options. I still think I have a good amount of alphabet options. I'm not, you know, freaking out about that. I still have these crafty chipboard things from Simple Stories. Again, I'll have to use some of these, I'm going to have to actually go get crafty pictures to use, right? Some of them just aren't working if I don't have the crafty pictures. Now, I have these. I got rid of the things that my little chipboard guys were all stuck in. So I have these 3 little loose things too. I forgot to keep that in my stack of goodies. I'd already binned that. So for my little goodies, I still have this big old Happy Planner sticker book. I still have these stickers. And I figured that there was enough on, I probably could have condensed these down, but I figured there was enough on here that I didn't really have to condense them down. I still have these, these crafty ones, these combo puffy stickers, the hearts, these guys, those. I comboed enamel things and the varying dots and things. So there is a combo there. I did not combo these because these are very beach themed. And after I'm done with this kit, if I don't use these are going to go back in my stash as such because they're very tropical beach and I want to be able to just reach for tropical beach things. Not that I'm sorting by theme, but I want that, you know? I haven't used these small words. I have used a couple of those, so we'll put that there. I still have these gold thickers. I did not do anything to combine anything with those. Remember, we added these a couple days ago. I still have the Happy Days stickers. Now, I thought about cutting off the little words and combining the stickers that I would still use on here. I don't know if I'm going to use a couple of these stickers. Let's just be real. I just don't know. And now these are where I combine things. So these are all Maggie Holmes on this except for this little puffy thing. And then I combined on this side, right? Like I've got these presents, these flowers, photo corners, gold things, bows. You might be thinking, whoa, how are you ever going to scrapbook with that? But honestly, you guys, my plan is to get rid of this, right? This has got to go, okay? And I feel like if I have everything in one larger place of these kind of items, it'll be easier to see. Just like this one. I have this on one page. There's a random letter. Like these things are all combined too. All the stickers and puffy things because they got to go, okay? They have got to go. So that is where I'm at. I've got these guys all set. I've got these guys. And now what I'm going to do is go grab some random papers. I'm just going to grab a box of paper. I might grab two. Okay? Might grab two. So I'm going to keep these out to kind of like remind me of colors, which basically any bright fun colors, right? We're going to grab a paper a paper bin, whatever that is. Okay. I'm going to grab Echo Park because, you guys, I still have an entire bin of Echo Park, right? Like, it used to be bulging, used to bulge out, but I have an entire bin of Echo Park. Ouch. And what I'm going to do is put my blanket back in my lap because it's a little chilly. And then I'm going to go through this paper and we are going to add some stuff. So what I'm going to do is grab a hunk. I will go through, Getaway. I'm going to just pull out some papers that I think will be able to go with what I got going on here, right? Like this is a bright pink, similar, and this totally, we're going to pop that in there. I'm not going to do the red and the green. These are definitely Christmassy bits. Oh, I don't know why that's in there, but we'll add that. Not exactly sure why that is in there either. We're finding treasures, you guys. This color works with the stuff I got going on. Not this. I'm not feeling that. Not feeling that. So I am literally quickly flipping to see if there's anything that might work. We're going to add that. Now this is cream, and I think just about everything I have in here is white, and that, well, I mean, that's kind of a cream. I'm going to add it. We're going to skip, woo! We got some metallics going on here. You know what, I'm going to add that teal. These are dots and stripes. I'm not going to add any more of that. Just, you know, it's just kind of grabbing what kind of speaks to me. I'm gonna bring those in. Kinda don't want any more pink right now. A wood grain's always good to have. Like I said, don't want any more pink. Ooh, stars. These are travel-y things. Okay, so I went through there, got a bunch of papers. Now I'm going to grab another hunk, and I'm not going to divide it like I did. I'm just grabbing a hunk so we can look through this together. And again, remember, I have no idea what photos, that's a good one, what photos I'm actually going to use for this. So I am just kind of going by the colors that kind of grab me. And I know I'm not even looking at all of the, I'm gonna add that one, all of the papers. Like, I'm not even looking at all of the back sides of the papers. And if that's stressing you out, I'm sorry, but you know, this is kind of a quick moment. What can I grab here that might work? That will work. You know, this isn't, I got a lot of travel papers. This isn't a, I need to make sure that everything matches perfectly kind of thing. This is just me trying to get through. Oh, that's a good one. Okay. I'm gonna put this stack back in my paper organizer, and then we'll grab the last bit. All right, putting this on top. Don't need the flamingos, right? Like, I don't need the flamingos. Kind of like that blue. I'll pop that in there. I got 2 of those. Pop one of those in too. That is beautiful. Ooh, some orange. It's a very fall. There we go, the story of fall. But the orange could work. That's Tooth Fairy. Yeah, we'll add that one too. Okay, very vintagey feeling. I don't want the very vintagey feeling. Hail Hydra. And then I have cartography number 2, which there is nothing I am going to pull out of there. So, just went through Echo Park, grabbed us some papers. Let's count how, oh, Lord in heaven, we grabbed a lot. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I brought in 18 papers. So this has gone from how many layouts can I create with this kit to I just built another kit, more of a kit with more paper options. And this makes my heart happy that I've got these paper options. So now my plan is to kill this kit for real, okay? We want to murderize it. All right, I'm putting my paper back in there. Of course, I always reserve the right to add more papers because, you know, that's kind of what I do. But yeah, so that is the plan now. All the products, got some of the packaging out of my way, and now I've got a kit. So hang out with me, come back to the channel. We'll go ahead and use this kit and see what I can get going with it. Because now I'm excited about it. Now I've got things reorganized. I've got more papers, more options, and now I have totally gotten myself excited about this kit one more time. So Stick around. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys again real soon for another video.